Hi guys, so we'll be doing the evaluation 3. This is a quiz, and if you complete the quiz sooner than anticipated, this is accepted. The quiz, however, cannot be paused. Only you have once you have started. Sorry, something. Pardon me. So let's start the quiz. The quiz should contain some Pythons and some maybe little of C, and it says that the first question is, which symbol should I use to redirect the error output to the standard output? So we all know it is 2 greater than and this one. Okay, so that's it, and you submit, and then we'll go to the next question. The next question says, what is the linear steady symbolic constant for the standard output? This one is a very simple question. As you can see, we have the standard output here already, so it's as simple as that. So we submit, and we go to the next one. We have a function definition in Python, and this function collects a number 89 already, a counter which is 89, which is assigned to it. So it's supposed to return counter which is 89 plus 1, which is 90. So by the time you print my function, it should give you 90. So you get 90 and submit. Okay, so the next one is, Python is cool. That's what A is. So we said we should print A at index 7. So this 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to print I, right? And then 2 minus 5. So we are not going to print the minus 5. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and then IS. So is going to be the answer. So submit. So this one says, we have a linked list, right? What's wrong with the following C code to get the nth number of a linked list? Okay, this one I won't really do too much, but we have a get node, right, and a linked list that collects the head of the list, and also an index, an integer which is index of the list. So we have to set find the nth node of a list. So there's something wrong with this code in order for us not to get the nth node of the list, right? So the first thing is that there is no check for if PTR next is null. Moving to PTR, okay. So we have to check when it gets to null. Where is it? Yeah, this place. But this one I don't want to waste our time, so I'll just give you the direct answer. And then the second one should be, if index is out of range, the program should return null. Okay, so you can just copy to ChatGPT, because I don't want this video to be too short, too long. And then I think with that you get it. So if the index is out of range, the program should return null. That is, we are trying to print what it is not part of the linked list. Let's say we have 5 linked lists, and we are trying to find at index number 8, you get. So at that point it's going to return null. So we didn't give information, or we didn't give account for that. So these are the 2 things that you do majorly. The function should not return null if head is not found. That's rubbish. So we continue. This one is a Python, and it says we have to print, the first one is 972, right? 972 Mission Street, and then comma San Francisco. So 972 Mission Street, San Francisco. The rain is falling, so there might be a bit of noise, so I'm very sorry for that. So that should be it. We are in number 7. I said, which line of code will create a list of every other number from 0 to 10 in reverse in Python? Okay, so we want to print a list from 0 to 10 in reverse in Python, right? That is, we want to print 10 to 0, right? So our answer would be let's see, should be list range. Yeah, this, I think this should work. Let me see, 10 0 2 10 0 list range 10. It should be this one. Yeah, not this one. So list range 10 0 2. So we are telling it to start from kind of 0, right? To start from, what's this indexing again? Sorry, let me see. Though the steps will be -2 would be the what was it called, the difference between them. So it should be list range 10 0 2, 10 0 -2, yeah, something like this. Okay, and let me see, this one says we have a function counter that collects 89. So counter equals to counter, so this one will be counter and then 89, counter 89 will be the answer. Yeah, counter 89, right? Let me see, let me be sure. Okay, sorry, we called my function and pass in 12 to it. Okay, so normally it's supposed to print counter 89, but when we call the function, they've changed the counter, they've changed the 89 to 12, so we are going to print counter and then 12, right? So it's supposed to be counter 12. So that's that. Sorry, I had a call and I think it disrupts my network a bit. Sorry guys, I had a call and it disrupted my network. In a double linked list, what possible direction to retransverse? You transfer forward and backward in a double linked list. So what is a circular import in Python? Okay, so circular import is when two or more nodes, when two or more modules rather, when two or more modules are dependent on each other. That's it. So this one, we have a range to print to 10. Okay, so it's not going to print 10, so normally it's supposed to print 0 to 9, right? So we are saying that it should move by 2, difference of 2, right? So it should start from 2. Yeah, so this is what I wanted to remember there. It should start from 2, right? And then it's going to go 2 4 6 and then 8, but it's not going to print 10, right? So start from 2, and instead of 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it's going to now move in 2s. Okay, so that's it. Start from 2, move in 2s, stop at 9, don't reach 10. So we're going to have 2 4 6 8. Okay, so that's that. And then in a doubly linked list, what is the head of a linked list? Okay, what is the head of the list? It's the node with the pointer to the previous equal to null. So that should be it. Okay, so you are standing in a line at a grocery store. Which data type best represents is just a queue? It's as simple as that. So we have queue. So this one says this one, what does this line print? Okay, this one is kind of confusing, but I don't want to waste your time because I've gone through it before, and the answer is army, right? But if you look at it, okay, this one is I think dictionaries also. So basically the answer is army. So don't waste the time. The rain is increasing. What did this line print? So we have that our A is 12, right? So 12 is greater than 2, right? So it's going to enter this block. And then we say if 12% 2 equals to 0 is true, you should print tech. So it's going to print tech, right? So this block will print tech. So the next one is malloc char is 1, 1 times 4 is 4. And then we have a list. So this is a list, and then we have at index 2 0 1 2. So this one has been changed to 10. So we have 1 to 10 4. And that will be all for now. And that is the end of Solomon grounding. So that's it. So as you can see, we have our 100% for everything.